healthy brain allows us to think clearly, use our bodies effectively, connect, communicate with others, and live a life of vitality. Hi, I'm Dr. Burton with the San Clemente Vitality Center. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you 4 things that affect brain health that you probably don't know about. Number 1 is move your body. Now, you probably heard that movement is life. Well, Dr. John Ratty, who's an associate clinical professor of psychiatry at Harvard Medical School, he explains that exercise turns on the attention system, the so-called executive functions. That's sequencing, working memory, prioritizing, inhibition, sustaining attention. Now, walking for 30 minutes 4 times a week will do. But studies have shown that activities like martial arts, ballet, ping pong, golf, gymnastics, rock climbing, mountain biking, skateboarding, they are especially good because the technical movements inherent in these types of sports, they activate many areas in the brain that control things from balance to movement to intense focus to concentration. Now, the best thing to do is make time to go out and play, to run, jump, climb, ride a bike. Do it in a green environment if you can. Number 2 is that sleep helps everything. Sleep is so important that nature has put us at the mercy of predators for 8 hours a day. And that's because during sleep, that's when our brain detoxifies itself. It gets rid of all the waste that builds up from all the thinking we do all day. So now sleep deprivation is one of the most toxic stresses that exist for the brain. And chronic poor sleep can result in daytime tiredness, difficulty with focused attention, irritability, frustration, controlling impulses. All of these things come with increased levels of toxicity and neuroinflammation. So the best thing to do is to make sure you get an adequate amount of sleep every night. 7-8 hours adults, 9 hours for teens, and 12 for babies and toddlers. You want to sleep in total darkness if you can and avoid any TV, games, anything that's going to aggravate you before you want to sleep. Number 3 is green time. Scientists have found evidence that being in nature has a profound impact on our brains. Being in nature, or even just viewing scenes of nature, is going to reduce anxiety, fear, stress, and actually increase our attention, creativity, and ability to connect with others. So exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, but it also contributes to your physical well-being. The best thing to do is spend at least 1 hour outside every day, playing, walking, reading, hiking, whatever. Plan regular outings out into nature, a local canyon, a park, a forest, and actually eating lunch or dinner outside. Now, number 4 is electromagnetic pollution. Some folks get surprised by this one, so I saved it for the last. It's more important than lots of folks think because today there are 1,000 times more electromagnetic waves per cubic inch than in the 1900s. And since our brains also function on electromagnetic activity, it's no wonder that the environmental electromagnetic pollution that surrounds us can affect how our brains function. One study that was done at the University of Zurich has shown that by exposing adult brains to electromagnetic waves, those like from cell phones, negatively affected their sleep quality and their cognitive performance. So the best thing to do is limit exposure to video games, internet games, cell phones. Leave that necessity only. Don't leave electronics next to your bed at night, especially plugged in. And most importantly is reconnect with the earth. Bare feet, in the sand, in the grass, connect to earth, connect to nature. Remember, a healthy brain, like anything else, is nurtured. Starting out young is best, getting those good habits, but know that a brain can change and improve at any age. So if you or a loved one are having problems or questions, we're here to help. If you do have a question, anything like that, put it in the comments down below. If you have a topic, put it in the comments down below. And if you'd like to get my 7 tips for a healthy brain, click the link in the description down below and I'll be happy to send that to you. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.